Hello everyone. In this episode, I will show you how to create a Power BI report for mobile phone in just few clicks. Please stay tuned. I also request you to watch this video till the end before asking any question. So let me switch to the computer for the demo. So on your screen, you can see the sales report. So the first visual, the donut chart, sum of total sales by region and sum of total sales by country, and the below visual you can see sum of total sales by month and year. So this is the month wise total sales. Now the next tab, you can see order and sales analysis. So sum of order quantity by region and sum of order quantity and sum of total sales by customer. So y axis we have our total sales, and on x axis we have sum of order quantity. And this visual actually sum of order quantity by month and year, and this sum of order quantity by country. So I want to create a report for mobile phones. Okay, now let me come back to the cells, and here you can see two options. Here is the desktop layout view, it is a by default view, and another is the mobile layout view. If you are unable to see these two options, you have to download the latest version of Power BI desktop and install on your machine, and after that you will be able to see these two options. So from here I will create a mobile layout view, and you can see here the mobile layout, and here there is a one button, auto create mobile layout. Just you have to click on this button. Now you can see your sales report for mobile phone is ready. So all visuals which you have on the sales report page is pasted here. Here you have also flexibility. You can also change. Let me generate a order also. So on the second tab, if you have a multiple tab, you have to go to the another tab to generate this. Otherwise, when you will publish this report, when the people will start looking into on the mobile phone, they will see only this sales report. So we have a order tab also. So in the order tab also, we will generate a order report for mobile layout. So here we have seen here there is an option, and here also you can see the option auto create. It will do same thing for you. Just let me click on this, and now you can see the order and sales analysis report is ready for you, and all the visuals are pasted here. And from here you can also adjust the visual height only. So I have adjusted. Now let me increase the height of this. So you can increase and decrease the height of the visual here. And now if I'll go to the cells tab, and for example, if you don't want some visual to be appear for the mobile layout, you have to simply just delete it from here. Now you can see only these two visuals on the sales report. You can adjust. Okay. Now the donut chart I remove from the cells, so I can see only two visuals. That is the country-wise total sales and month-wise total sales. That's all for this video. And if you want to know how to use Power BI report on mobile phone and tablet, please watch our video. You will find the link in the description box. Thank you. And I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.